Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best portable electric burners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Elite Gourmet Electric Burner. Cooking is quick, easy and consistent with the Elite Cuisine Electric Single Buffet Burner. This portable electric hot plate offers reliable heating and takes up minimal cooking space. At 1000 watts it heats up quickly with an adjustable temperature knob. The non-stick cast iron hot plate will ensure even cooking and makes cleanup a breeze. It features adjustable temperature control with off, warm, low, medium and high settings. The heavy-duty cast iron flat heating plate is easy to clean. The cool touch base and non-skid rubber feet for stable cooking. It's perfect when you need an extra heat source for holiday cooking and entertaining. Or simply use it to keep food warm at a buffet station. At number 5 we have CUSIMAX Electric Burner. This CUSIMAX ceramic double hot plate is suitable for all type of cooker. Also pots and pans ranging to 7.1 plus 7.1 including glass and aluminum, and heats cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. It is great for everyday use or as an extra cooking appliance in a busy kitchen. This convenient cooking in smaller spaces cook food. Also including warm sauces, decoct steak, grilled cheese, boil water, make soup, cook pasta and vegetables and do so much more. It has automatic safety shut-off function. Temperature is regulated by a thermostat. It is easy to clean, durable and ceramic cooktop. At number 4 we have Techwood Electric Burner. The hot plate has a overheating protection and thermostat. It will automatically power off when the temperature is too high. It's a normal phenomenon. The temperature ranges from 392 to 1162 and it will take about 10 to 15 minutes for a 4-quart pot of water. Techwood hot plates can be used with all types of cookware, which is more efficient and heats the cooking food to make the food more delicious. You can cooking with this portable electric cooktop and prepare a meal for yourself to healing homesick. Even though in office it is powerful enough to finish a meal quickly and compact enough to entertain a group. At number 3 we have CUSIMAX Electric Burner. The hot plate is equipped with thermal fuse for overheating protection as well as a thermostat. When it reaches the setting temperature it will automatically turn off for a few seconds, and then will be placed back to the original setting. It is designed for overheating protection and to maintain the setting temperature. So it is normal when the indicator turns on and off automatically. Residual heat when turned off, as it still needs more than 15 minutes to cool down. You can put the hand over the surface from 1 inch to 2 inches to feel whether there is any residual heat. At number 2 we have Proctor Electric Burner. This heats up quickly with 1200 watts and provides a range of heating options from high to warm for maximum cooking and serving versatility. It's perfect for quickly boiling water for tea or pour over coffee. And it's ideal anywhere you need extra cooking space or a place to keep food warm until serving time. Since it's portable and compact, it's easy to move from place to place and even easier to store. It works with all types of cookware, and since the coil is hinged, you can lift it up to quickly wipe spills from the plate underneath convenient non-slip rubber feet grip surfaces. And your kitchen countertop to help prevent sliding, and the power indicator light lets you know when the cooktop is plugged in and ready to use. At number 1 we have CUSIMAX Electric Burner. CUSIMAX hot plate is equipped with a powerful 7.4 inches heating plate. It is compatible with pots and pans with maximum size of 7.4 inches. CUSIMAX hot plate can be used with any type of cookware in your home, such as aluminum pans, copper pans, casserole and frying pans. And non-magnetic stainless steel pans can heat cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. Also, hot plate is safe to use and doesn't emit harmful radiation. The non-slip feet ensure that the unit stays firmly in place. This overheat protection and stylish indicator light for safe use. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best portable electric burners for your need.